In this video, I'll show you how you can remove an anime from the continue watching section on Crunchyroll. So as you watch an anime or as you watch animes, as you scroll down on the website, you should see this option, continue, or rather section, continue watching, which basically shows you all the anime that you've watched. So if you'd like to remove an anime from this section, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the continue watching section and then click on view history. And then from here, find the anime that you'd like to remove. So for instance, this particular episode, simply click on the remove icon and that will be removed from that particular continue watching. Now, if you'd like to remove all of them from the continue watching section, simply clear your history and then confirm. And then once you're done, once you go back home, you can no longer see the continue watching section from here. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.